Hello everybody, welcome to my video. If you're new to my challenge, please hit the subscribe button and turn notifications on, and please leave a like. Yeah, so here are my friends. We're about to start up a squads. We've got Pizza Yomo 4, Kensington NZ, me, Where's Power 8066, and Tack Poppy Yoshi. He is really good. Looks like we just started. Okay, here we go.
Here we go again.
Here we go again. Guess we're gonna start another battle royale up.
I really want to peel it.
I want to come second to.
Yeah, I hope we win this actually.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. I really want to win this because it will be my 7th win this season.
If you haven't seen my last video, it's all about me basically. It's telling what you'll see in my future video, because this is actually only my second video. Last video I actually introduced myself and stuff. But yeah, you can go check that other one out before you watch this one if you want to, or you can just stay at this video. Alright guys, where we landing?
Sleepy.
Sleepy?
Sleepy, yep, sleepy.
Okay, so we're going to
Even
Sleepy.
though we might die.
No, we won't.
We won't die, we won't die.
Purple marker.
No. Sleepy.
Sleepy.
Sleepy. If Caden jumped, okay. Okay, we're going Sleepy. Let's go. Okay, Sleepy, here it comes. We are the cat squad. The kitty cat squad. I'm a different cat to you guys. I'm literally a blue cat. I'm a blue cat.
What do you
Blue cats
mean?
are just cats die.
I have.
What was that? I. I might make a small, really funny joke. I'm gonna make a small, really funny joke that actually, like, it's not inappropriate, but it's every captain's be like speaking. Pilots speaking on a plane. This is your captain speaking. We will be landing in like 5 seconds. Please fasten your seatbelts for landing. Thank you.
I'm wasting mid-mist and making throwing
Please
trash.
don't die. Please don't die. No. You can't get me. You can't get me. I know it. You can't get me.
Yeah, I still haven't got.
Okay, I'm going to get fish stick. I'm going to hire fish stick.
Gun. No, I got my second gun.
Okay, I only have 2 guns and my first one was blue. I got fish stick. Alright, boys. Let's go.
My first
Also,
gun.
these are not random people. I actually know them. If they were random people, why would I even be playing with them? That's called bad playing. I don't like playing with random people, even though it kind of is fun. But yeah, it's better not to than to. I need to destroy this. This actually gives gold. If you didn't know, breaking those actually give gold.
Oh my god.
What?
Oh my god.
What?
I was about to die.
Really?
I clutched it and I killed 2 people.
I just killed a really good player. I think he was good. I actually don't know. He was like, he couldn't see me. I mean, you can't go in first person, so I bet he was bad then. And he nearly died, but Sophistic nearly died. And they've actually changed the place up quite a bit, this new chapter. Are we gonna be the last ones left?
I fixed the car and made it have.
Okay, Poppy Yoshi's good. Also, you don't have to just call him Tack Poppy Yoshi. You can, for an easier name, you can just call him Poppy Yoshi. Because, like...
My name is too weird because I did not make this name, so just call me by my first name.
If you actually just destroy... Did you know if you destroy every cash register, you actually get gold? A whole bunch of it.
Okay, I was just destroying a wall when I could.
Oh wait, we gotta get in this car. This car's the best. I'm going in the back.
By the way,
Let's just hit myself an emote. Alright, everybody in this car. You can stop beeping, by the way.
Guys, you know.
Stop beeping.
Me,
Okay, let's go.
PTM04. I literally just started June the 4th, 2022, and That was a couple months ago.
Okay.
So I'm kind of a noob.
You know what?
I'm just hitting this emo. Why am I hitting Ninja's emo? I don't know why. I mean, it's quite an attractive emo. I actually like it. This is
I
chugga
will
chugga.
shoot you.
Chugga chugga, chugga chugga.
I will
We're
shoot.
flying! We're a flying car! We're the first cars to fly! Yoo-hoo! I'm also in a train and I'm flying. Something's happening to our universe. I think we're just jumping out of the car, boys. We're all jumping out of the car. Alright, let's get into Storm Circle. Storm Circle, not... Alright, let's go. I sit. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go.
It's already hitting.
Felix.
Mhm.
Since my name is just randomly random.
Oh wait, our bounty's here. Our bounty's here.
Since when do we have a bounty?
I got one.
Felix,
I think Aiden got him. Yo?
tell your people that I'm working with you.
Connor, we need to protect you.
No,
You're
we
a
don't.
bounty. Connor's a bounty.
Not anymore. Yo, nice skin this guy's got. Our bounty's got.
Yes.
Finally, a nice skin for once as a bounty. Somebody should.
Our bounty's name.
Wait, bro,
is actually
I'm dead.
Ghost
I'm dead. Headshot somebody at like really close range. I'm eating the fishies, but I have to. It's good.
Fishy is not looking.
Yeah, it's good. The fishy,
Yeah,
the
good
fish
fishy.
stick, the NPC fish stick wasn't looking when I was eating as mankind, which was good because
It's kind of rude too.
I didn't want to disappoint him.
You know, it's very bad of a
I
sound.
need to collect mats, a lot of mats.
Wait, can we hide this NPC? Oh no, we could. We can't anymore. You could hide. You use.
Dang it.
I just walk outside the store and literally fish sticks like right there. Someone's here. Yep, I know. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. If Caden dies, then I don't know who will else.
Felix, do you have any metal? Do you have any metal? I need some metal.
Caden got our bounty, but I was like right
Our
next.
bounty died, yay.
I need some metal, Felix.
Okay, we're the 41 players left. I think we can do this. I don't know. We
Yeah,
maybe
we're
can.
probably gonna die.
Yeah, we're probably gonna die, which wouldn't.
Please don't judge
won't
me.
be good.
I'm really
Yeah.
bad.
Felix,
Ouch.
Felix, I need some metal. I need metal.
Really?
Connor,
Why do you...
I've got 31.
Oh wait.
I've got 31 metal.
Someone's over
Can I
here.
have it, please?
Yeah, sure.
Because I have no idea how to.
I hit somebody 100. I hit somebody 100.
There you go.
Thank you.
Somebody 100.
Take the.
Kill the llama.
There's somebody. There's an evil person over here.
250.
Cause
I don't give about the llama.
Gazaga.
Someone. Oh,
Shit.
Gazaga. Gazaga. I don't know what I'm saying.
Get him, boy. Wait, we've got somebody. We got somebody. Bro, I'm dead. I'm on 4
I'm coming
HP.
towards
I'm dead.
Yep,
I'm
you're not.
dead. There's 2 people here. Come on, fishy. Omar, I sent fish stick to revive me, and he's doing actually very well. And I died.
No. I'm bad at Fortnite. I'm a noob. I'm a noob at Fortnite.
Wait, can somebody get my reboot before it expires?
Oh shit, it's at the bottom of the lake. And I'm not. Felix, it's stuck. It's at the bottom of the lake.
No, my reboot's stuck. Wait, why do you have to get my reboot? It's like stuck.
well, yours is going to the down 2.
Wait, can you guys get my reboot?
His one is going down 2.
Can someone get my reboot before it expires, please? Oh my god. What is Caden doing? What is Caden? What is...
We're fighting the people that are
Oh
trying
my
to kill
god.
me.
Wait, can you get my reboot? Because it's
I can't.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
I hate this new mechanic.
Oh, you took my key, didn't you? Thank you, Connor. Kensington.
Wait. No, just call me by Connor.
Okay.
Please.
Also, just saying, his real name is who I'm spectating right now. His real name. Don't me to tell him your real name.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Connor. It's Connor.
Just call me by Connor because I do not like.
Yes, you got my reboot. You got the impossible reboot. I guess it was like stuck. Alright, I'm glad you're rebooting me because I had terrible guns. I don't even actually remember how many guns I have. Good variety or not. Why can't I spectate other people when I'm getting rebooted? I actually don't know. Also, if you're wondering what console I play by or anything I play by, I'm playing by Xbox.
And I
But
play by Nintendo.
when I'm playing like Minecraft and Roblox, I could be playing by the computer. Because why not? Why? Oh, I'm being shot and I literally just spawned. And there's an Agent Peely on me. I killed him with a pistol. Oh, my sound went out for a second. I think my internet's lagging.
Mention my real
Kill him.
I'm healing out in the open. Why am I an idiot? I'm healing in the open. Oh, SMG. Nice, thanks.
Alex, do you think I should just mention
I just
real
took somebody's purple
name? Alex, do you
SMG.
think I should just
I'm literally all set. I literally
Do you
just
think
started.
I should just mention my real name?
What? Oh, never mind. Somebody was just rebooted. Oh no. Table. Please drop a like if you know this thing. Oh no. Our table. It's broken. Drop a like if you know that. It would really help.
If you want to know my name,
Sure, I
if you
went
want
high.
to know my real name, write in the
Oh my
comments down
God.
below.
I'm actually just grabbing heals. Why
I
not?
found someone.
Wait, can I hire this dude?
I found
Huh.
someone.
I thought you could. Is everyone okay? Has like everyone got the amount of heals they need or something? Or am I? Or is it just me?
Come here, boy.
Dun 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 dun. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah.
Storm circle. Storm circle.
I just have to go to bed soon because I'm going somewhere.
Oh yeah. Hopefully you don't have to leave in the middle of the game. That would be horrible.
I'm heading to Storm
So don't
Circle.
just, if you can, just don't leave in the middle of the game.
I am leaving the game.
I got some heals on me. Busy on me. Do, 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 do.
So close to being only a 3v3.
Someone killed our bounty.
If
but
you
I
do
don't know
like
who.
this video, then please make sure to share it with other people, your friends.
I-
Please make sure to share it if you do like it. That would help a ton.
I leveled up.
Really, you're excited just because you leveled up.
Write in the comments below if you want to know my real name. But my Fortnite name is BT Homo 4.
His real name is. Oh my god.
That is
Yeah.
not my real name.
Yeah.
People over here.
Okay, I'm really on my own right now.
I just got a couple kills.
Someone destroyed our bounty.
I killed him.
I need heals. No! No! Who threw that log? Come on. Heal me, heal me, heal me. I got heals for myself. I got heals. I grabbed me some heals. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Wait, get under here. Give me. Shit.
Damn, on the other side of the map now.
And you're knocked. Don't. Oh, no.
Shit, I'm going to die.
Wait.
We're dead.
Yeah, we're dead. We're toast.
Yeah, straight away when I come there,
How are you that far?
I was going to the storm.
My duck language.
That's just disturbing for me.
Go, Caden. Caden, you stupid. If Caden dies, then we're out. We're out of the game. There's 8 people left. But we're gonna place like third.
I
No, we
can't
did.
hack the system.
Max, did you get our reboot?
I can't get Connor. I can't get.
Just get him and reboot us.
I can't get Connor's reboot. Shit. I'm not. And I'm dead.
Yeah, we're dead.
We're doomed.
We're doomed.
We're doomed on Doomsday.
Oh wait, Caden has that.
Well, it's not even Doomsday, but I'm still. Please, I don't know.
No, we placed third. GG's. Bye bye everybody. Hope you had an amazing day. And yeah, see you all in my next video. Bye.